Most people think you need to be a great writer to grow a profitable newsletter. But with AI Scale Stack, that's no longer true. Here's why. This system comes with 12 AI-powered bots that handle the heavy lifting for you, writing, planning, even optimizing your emails. That means you can create engaging content without staring at a blank screen or stressing about what to say. The AI helps you come up with topics, craft messages in your voice, and even set up automated email campaigns. All you need to do is focus on the direction. AI does the tedious, time consuming part. And because the system is built for automation, your newsletter keeps working for you even while you sleep. Subscribers get valuable content, you build trust, and your list grows all on autopilot. The best part, you don't need a niche, a product, or even prior experience. AI Scale Stack gives you a simple step-by-step framework so you can launch fast and start building a predictable income stream. And remember, it comes with a money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. See results and decide if it's right for you. If you're ready to stop overthinking and start growing your newsletter the smart way, click the link in my description and get started today.